Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WeTransfer in 2026 from start to finish. Whether you want to send documents, photos, videos, or other large files, WeTransfer makes the process simple, fast, and secure. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the WeTransfer website. If you already have an account, click *log in * and sign in. If you're new to WeTransfer, you can create a free account or continue using the free version if it's available for your transfer. Once you're on the home page, click Upload Files *. Browse your computer and select the files you want to send. You can upload documents, images, videos, or multiple files at the same time. After selecting your files, wait for them to finish uploading. The upload time depends on your internet speed and the total file size. Next, choose how you want to share your files. You can enter the recipient's email address to send the files directly, or switch to the Get Link ** option to create a download link. If you're sending by email, type the recipient's address, enter your own email if required, and add a title or short message. If you're using a paid WeTransfer plan, you can take advantage of extra features like password protection, custom transfer expiration dates, larger transfer limits, and custom branding. These options provide additional security and flexibility when sharing important files. Before sending, double-check that you've selected the correct files and entered the correct email address. Then click ** transfer or Get Link and wait for the upload to complete. Once it's finished, copy the generated link or let WeTransfer send the email automatically. The recipient simply opens the email or link, clicks Download, and saves the files to their device. It's quick, secure, and doesn't require complicated setup. That's all there is to it. You now know how to use WeTransfer in 2026 to send and share files with ease. If this tutorial helped you, please